Are you living your best life? And if not, why not? Because there is a way. My name is Eileen Head, and I'm going to teach you some of the hidden secrets that I've learned to manifest and use the law of attraction to bring me some experiences in life that I never would have even imagined I would be having. 2 years ago, all my pickleball friends were leaving for the winter. And I thought, well, I'd like to go someplace too. And I don't have anyone to go with. And I don't think I have the finances to do that. Use your tools. And all of a sudden, I got an amazing offer for a vacation on the beach in Puerto Morelos and another offer in Mazatlan. And I secured this last winter as well to go back to Mazatlan using these same tools. I've learned to use vibrational energy. I wanted a picture of poppies, and the exact picture in my mind showed up in the store I walked in, and also a mirrored cabinet. I used it to sell my house for 45,000 over what everyone told me I would never get, and many other things. People who follow me on Facebook say, "Oh, you're so lucky. You lead such a great life." No luck involved. I consciously create my life. I was watching a video with Oprah, and she said, in order to manifest, you need to be on the vibrational energy to bring that to you. And that's what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you some of the tools that I used. I have a workshop, a one-day workshop in our beautiful Rockies, Canmore, Alberta, April 29th. Bring a girlfriend or two. It's going to be an amazing day. Maybe even come out and stay the night before. We'll have fun. So April 29th, Hidden Secrets, live your best life. Come and join us. I'm going to teach you how to have a deeper relationship with a partner. When you're searching for your ideal partner, a vacation that you've been yearning for, maybe a better job, a bucket list item. Who knows what it is that will show up for you when you learn these tools of manifesting. April 29th, Canmore, Alberta. Click the link. Hope to see you there.